fashion.
Don't touch me, I'm sterile.
We're making homemade hand sanitizer because Yakaboo and I could not find hand sanitizer anywhere in town. So we have our witch hazel, then we've got aloe vera.
Wow. Oh, we are chefs. Look at that.
You get the little one.
No, she gets the little. She's a tiny one.
You're also tiny.
I get the biggest one. Okay, we've got our Faberware measuring cups. Oh God, it's hot in here. Turn that heater off.
Why is the heater on? It's like 80 degrees outside.
You're the train conductor. You're supposed to control the furnace.
Your whistle, your train whistle.
All aboard!
Is this the Corona Express?
How do you add 3 terabytes of aloe vera?
Tablespoon. You
No, don't shake it. No. Give me this. That is more than 3 tablespoons.
Ew!
Ew.
This is the worst kind of Jello you've ever made.
Come on, guys, whisk away.
I'm enjoying watching you. Just need more.
Ew, I don't like that. What is... No, ew! I don't do the smell my fingers.
No, it's my glove.
Why is it green?
Why is it green? Because the f***ing aloe vera.
If it's green after at least 4 hours, should you call your doctor?
What is wrong with you? What are you putting in there?
Lavender, so it smells like not like dip.
Okay.
Yeah, you dipshit.
His hair is in there.
Turn
That's
to
not
whisk.
sanitary.
Kayleen,
Someone's
how are
hair
you
just went in there.
whisking?
It's probably mine. You're welcome. You get a little piece of Kayleen.
Ew!
Try the consistency.
Stick your finger in there and then just...
Don't do
That
that.
is not.
Is it hand sanitizer-y?
This is the correct consistency.
Oh.
I just compared it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
you're
taste
not gonna
it.
get it. Don't taste
I
it,
do.
you dumbass. How does it feel?
Smells like old lady. It's like that goo, Nickelodeon goo.
It smells like.
So we need more. Okay,
It smells
so
like... Oh. I think that's more the consistency that we're looking for.
that smells like bologna.
Bologna.
Love's on everyone.
Hang on! You're gonna rip my f***ing diamond off. It's expensive. My husband would not be happy.
It seems like it works.
And this is thick.
This is like 3 Qs.
She's got extra protection.
Yeah,
That's
so
a
rub
thick
it
ass boy, boy.
What's in there?
What is this?
Don't
hand
ask
sanitizer.
questions. Just put the finger in there.
Put your finger in my bowl.
Test.
Okay, now use it.
Whatever.
See, isn't it nice?
Oh,
It
that's
doesn't
oily.
soak in.
Because you're
That's
not.
oily.
Well, if you just go like this, it's not gonna do anything. Rub it on your whole
Yeah,
hands.
like work
Actually,
it in.
work it in.
Yeah.
I
No.
hate this.
Nobody trusts my. Oh my word.
Terrible product.
Shut up.
Would not invest in. Shark Tank would turn you down instantly.
That is rude.
I invest in myself, thank you.
I'm waiting for the automatic glide test.
Oh, it's not.
It's not going to. Yeah.
It might a little.
I don't feel like it's gonna get better.
Are you distraught?
I am distraught.
I'm definitely going to need some Advil after this.
It's German.
What? Okay,
I'm
hold
gonna
on.
need some Advil. I'm gonna need some Advil.
What
for my
is wrong
back.
with Advil?
Oh my god, we should talk about our outfits like normal.
Yeah.
So Beckman has a really cute zebra apron. It's got pockets and everything. We got some cute little bows. It's got great length. You know, business in the front, straight up party in the back. It's adjustable here and at the top. You can make it a little bit shorter, a little bit sexier, if you will. You've got easy access.
Oh!
Okay.
Oh! Oh my God!
Mine is bump approved friendly. Tyler's has easy access in the back as well. We're done asking upstairs. Let's go ask downstairs what they think.
Honestly, it's not that bad. It's not that bad.
I don't like this motion.
Don't act like you don't do that motion. Come on.
I can
Pay
see-
attention. You can't take it out like that.
Oh, you got spillage.
Sometimes it's fun to take it out and put it back in.
Oh my God.
High fives.
Hi.
Hello. Look who got you from Walgreens.
It's such a good day.
Did you already get another one?
Yeah, it's such a good day. I have really good friends. Oh, I'm gonna do them both at the same time. Can I hatch 2 things in one tank? Go away.
It's everything I dreamed of. Thank you.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's time.
Oh, it's really old.
Here we go. So excited.
You're terrible.